Hello, happy Monday morning. This is Mrs. Dubois, and we're starting a new unit today. And it's going to take Unit 1, in general, one step further. And rather than having expressions, we're going to have equations. So first, I'm going to show you what it looks like algebraically. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Can't help but laugh. Okay, so if you remember, right, this is x and x, so this is 2x. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 units. You just have to present it. You don't have to solve it yet. There's 3 x's plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X plus 6. Oh, we have 2. Oh my gosh, no idea why that's happening. So that's 2 x's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Then we have x. 3x plus 1, 2, 3 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. X plus 4. As you can see in this unit, variables are going to occur on both sides. I have the equation. So sorry. Okay, next, we bring in the distributive property. As you can see, this is 3 groups of x plus 2. And it equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the same thing happens here. 1, 2. So this is 2 groups of 2x plus 1 equals x plus 4. Now we're going to take these visuals and we're going to make it look like algebraic equations. Okay, and then we're going to solve. Again, pardon me. Just what you wanted on a Monday morning. Okay, so we begin with 800 fish in the pond, and we add 10 fish each week for a total of 1,000. So this is our begin value. So we begin with 800, and then this is the increase per week. So, or what varies, that's 10W equals 1,000. And then on this side, we have to balance, or we are solving it. So if we have 800 plus 10W equals 1,000, subtract 800, 10W equals 200, and then W equals 20. So it's 20 weeks. So now we're collecting books, all right? The first great rule to problem solving is you want to read it, all right? We have 50 books on your shelf. If we have 10 books each month, we will have a total of 120. So we have 50 books. Oh, geez. I didn't mean to go with that. I'm sorry. We have 50 books on the shelf. If we have 10 books each month, we have a total of 120. So we begin, this is our begin value. So we have 50 plus 10, and the number of months is what varies, equals 120. So over here, I'm going to solve it on the side. I'm going to draw my line to keep it balanced. I'm going to change this color because it's too light, 50. So you'll have 10m equals 70, and you divide by 10, and you get m is equal to 7. Just want to give you a minute or two to write that. So that's 7 months. Okay, first grade rule to problem solving is to read it carefully. We start I don't know, what do we start with? We start with $1,000 in our bank account and take out 30 each week. We want to determine when we will have 730 left. Okay, so we begin with 1,000, and then we take out, so we decrease per week 30, and then we have 730 left. So this is our begin value. Oops, I'm sorry that this is the begin value. So this is 1,000 plus 30, weeks is X, and it equals 730. So then this is asking you to solve it. So I'm going to solve it over here. Alrighty, let's see. You can do this on a calculator. You can do this out by hand. 730 minus 1,000. Negative 270. Oh, sorry, I did make an error there. Jiminy Crickets. This is you are taking out, so this should be minus. Except I'm not good about I haven't quite figured out, so this should, I'm just going to rewrite this. 1,000 minus 30x equals 730. So same thing here, this should be a subtraction, so that will be a subtraction, so sorry. When you divide that out, x is equal to 9, so it's 9 weeks. All right, now the temperature at 6 a.m. is -4. The temperature will increase, which is a plus, per hour. That's what varies. We want to determine when the temperature will reach 10. So you're going to have begin. Your begin value is -4. What varies, it's increasing by 2. So it's plus 2. And I'm using the h that they gave me here. And then 10. And then I'm going to solve it here. Draw my line because it's a equation. Add 4. So 2h equals 14. And then h is equal to 7. 7 hours. All right. I hope everybody has a marvelous Monday. Let me know if you have any questions.